The East Khasi Hills District Administration recently held a meeting with the members of the Dorbar Shnongs of various localities of Shillong City at the Susutham Auditorium. The meeting was attended by Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba, East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtaner SP City, Vivek's Aim, Assistant Food Commissioner D.B.S. Mukhim, Rangba Shnong and members of the different Dorbar Shnongs. The district administration has sought the support of the Dorbar Shnongs in dealing with the problems of drugs and also for the maintenance of law and order.
Kajing Kajungi ya ki Rangba Shnong berkentup ya ke urban area, but semi urban area. Kalong namar ba kidan katu kat ni ki kamu ki bang ya kenduk nak kapor, hakabe de bet kalon order, hakabe de bat ke imlang salang, hakabe de bat ki jingja ko ka district jongi. Pani kwa ban dan kata kajing ya trelang bat ki Shnong namar ngis ngau tho ba lada nim dan kata kajing ya trelang long ke kajing su thu jing much ba te kan buan mat te kajing ya trelang.